Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert page numbers in Google Docs starting from page number 3. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop I just open Chrome browser and I just open Google Docs over here. So I have a lot of pages over here. I just want to start the page number from 3. So what I have to do here? So page number 1 and 2 will be the index as well as the introduction. So page number 3 onwards I just want to start the page number. What I have to do here? So keep the cursor in the second page which it has the index page. So just go to insert menu. Once you click a insert menu, there will be a break option. So once you select the page break option, there will be a page break and section break will be there. Just click the next page is the section break. So this is the section break option, so that this is one section and this is one section over here. So just go to insert and page number. So where you want to fix the page options, you can just click a more option. There will be a page number will be displayed over here. This section, this is the whole document, and this section and section forward. So section 2 you just select and you want to insert the page number on header or footer. You can choose according to your need. For example, I just want to insert the page number in the footer option. Just click show on the first page, remove that and start from page number 1. So just choose this one and apply. Automatically it will be applied from your page number 1, that is 3 onwards, as you see here. So similarly you can able to identify there is a page number 3 onwards, there will be a page number 1, 2, 3 will be available to you can insert the page number. So first and foremost you need to insert and just go to page break option to break your section break, then insert your page number with that using this option called header or footer. You can choose the session forward, header and footer, and if you want to insert in page number 3 onwards, you can insert the show first page and start from the page you can give apply over here. So simple and easiest way to create your page number using your Google Docs. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.